Shout out to all of those around the world. For those who don't know me, my name is Russell of W based here in Dubai. If you would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and smash the bell notification for more updates. And please don't skip the ads. Today we are here in Cave Waterfall, Khorfakkan. The waterfall is the second tourist destination after the recent launch of Shears Park. It is located 43 meters above sea level and inside a natural mountain cave with 45 meters long and 11 meters wide. Because of advanced technology, you can see the waterfall slanting from the top of the cave down to the mountain with stunning panoramic views of the Khorfakkan beach. The cave is perfect for family outing, team building, and consists of a restaurant, cafe, service room, and outdoor eating while watching and enjoying the beauty of the waterfall. The waterfall is near to Karfkan Amphitheater. Yes, and I feel like I'm in Turkey, seeing this Roman-style architectural design. This amphitheater can accommodate up to 3,600 persons. They link it to the waterfall cave by elevators and a walkway. And for your info, the restaurant will open at 7 p.m. So if you're coming here in the morning, they're not going to allow you to go to the restaurant. And amphitheater is still closed. Actually, this space is still under construction, but you can be able to see the beauty of the waterfall because the waterfall is located just along the road. And if you're coming here, you feel like you're not in Khorfakkan. I remember when I went to Egypt, the design is same like this one. It is really amazing. During the night, they also have this flea market. They have this henna house, like what I'm sitting right now. So it will really fun in the night. And they also have cafe, like a food truck. if you're planning to visit here in Khorfakkan just for the purpose of seeing the waterfall, I suggest that you stay here in Khorfakkan only for one night. For the reason being is that there are so many tourist places to visit here in Khorfakkan. So if you're coming from Dubai, the first thing that you're going to visit is the She's Park. In She's Park, you can stay there maximum of 30 to 45 minutes for you to be able to go on top of the mountain if you are planning to go to the hike, and if you're planning to eat there or dine there. And if you're with your kids, of course, they're going to play in the playground. And after that, just below on that is the Wadi She's Nature Trail. In Wadi She's Nature Trail, you can swim there if you would like to swim. So I definitely suggest to stay there maximum of most probably 1 hour. And from there, along the way, from the on your left side, you'll be able to see this Al Rafisa Dam. Okay, Al Rafisa Dam. In Al Rafisa Dam, you'll be able to see also the castle. And then, but we're not able to go to the castle during the time that we went to Al Rafisa Dam because we don't have any more time. And going back to Dubai, driving during night is, for us, it's not a good idea. So, but if you're going to stay here in Khorfakkan, then you have to go to the side for you to be able to go to Al Rafisa Dam. In Al Rafisa Dam, you can do kayaking and then boating and then visit the castle. The castle is also an old castle, of course, and it's located on top of the mountain. So maximum 1.5 hours for you to do that. And after, you have to go all the way to Al Rabi Tower. So Al Rabi Tower is located again on top of the mountain, which is you'll be able to see the stunning panoramic views of the Khorfakkan city center. Sometimes they are going to allow you to park your car on top, on the tower itself, but most probably they're going to ask you to park your car in the designated areas, which is very far. So if you're not into hiking, I don't suggest you going there. But if you're into hiking and they're allowing you to park your car in the tower on top of the mountain, then it is a must for you to visit the Al Rabi Tower. And the last one is the waterfall. The waterfall is located, like what I've told you, it's located in the Khorfakkan Oceanic Hotel. And it's open, there's no entrance fee. And the restaurant is only open at 7 p.m. And that is the reason why I'm telling you that you better stay here one night for the purpose that you can be able to visit and go to the restaurant here. And don't forget to bring your swimwear attire because you can be able to swim in the beach. And I remember when I arrived here in Dubai in the year 2000. Yes, I'm old already. I've been in Dubai for the past 20 years. This place is totally like there's no people, only few people. And then I miss being here in Khorfakkan, especially the beach. The beach is so beautiful, and that's why I'm encouraging you guys to come and visit the Khorfakkan. At the same time, stay in one of the hotels. The Sharjah government is very aggressive right now in promoting their places to become one of the tourist destinations here in the UAE.